Hi everyone. I meant to put this tutorial up sooner, but I've been busy with school. I cut this image out in a previous tutorial, and I'll be showing you how to make a quick layout. Position and size your image to your preference. Duplicate and hide the image, then click on the eraser tool and choose a soft round brush at around 100 pixels. Erase the bottom edge to blend it into the background. Click on the background layer and go to the paint bucket tool. Click on Gradient and double-click the gradient in the navigation bar. Choose colors from your image, one light and one a little darker for the gradient. When you're done, click OK and go up to the navigation bar. Next to the gradient that you just made, there will be styles. Click on the second style. Instead of blending from side to side, it will blend from the center outwards. Click on the area you want yours to start and pull out. Make a new layer and click on the paintbrush tool. Choose a soft round brush at anywhere between 100 to 300 pixels in diameter. Choose whatever size works for your image. Change your color to the same color of the center of your gradient. Then add orbs around the cutout. Switch to white and repeat. Double click the image layer and click on Drop Shadow. Set distance to 0 and mode to overlay and click OK. Open the forest texture provided in the description box. Go to Filter, Pixelate, Mosaic, and choose a size you like. Then set that layer to either soft light or overlay. Go ahead and blur if you need to. When you're done, make a new layer and click on the brush tool. Choose a brush 10 to 20 pixels in size. Add a few random lines and swirls in black. Then click on Repeat Mosaic. Set the layer to soft light or overlay depending on the colors in your pictures. It doesn't matter how you make the lines or swirls. Click on the font tool and add your desired text behind the image in black. Right-click the text layer and click on Rasterize. Then while holding the Control key, click on the thumbnail image in the text layer. A selection will appear. The info box has an alternative way of doing this if you're not using Windows, so please check that out. Right-click on the selection and click on Feather. You'll want to feather the image from 10 to 30 depending on the thickness of your font. Set that layer to overlay. In another font like Times New Roman or Georgia, type your secondary text. Make this greatly smaller than the first text. When you're done, double-click the layer and click on Drop Shadow. Set it to distance 0 and mode overlay. You can change the style of this using the character tool in Photoshop. Make it uppercase or greatly spaced between each letter. It depends on what you want. I went ahead and repeated it, copied and pasted it over and over again so it repeated. Then I change the color. Make this whatever way you want it to be. You don't have to have it at an angle. When you're done and you like the way it looks, merge all the layers to finish. I hope you all found this tutorial useful. I hope it was easy for all of you making this. Thank you for watching, commenting, and subscribing. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. Bye.